If you're looking for a vanilla and almond fragrance, look no further. I have one for you with amazing staying power. Hello and welcome to Centrail. I'm Peter, and on this channel we talk about fragrances. So if you like exploring fragrances or just want to smell great, consider subscribing. And now, let's dive into the fragrance. Pegasus was launched in 2011 by the House of Parfums de Marly. Pegasus is a fresh, powdery fragrance with a veil of vanilla and creamy almond. Pegasus is also classified as an Oriental fougere. Fougere is one of the olfactory families of perfumes. The name comes from the French language and it means fern. Pegasus is available at 75 milliliters and 100 milliliters. The 75 milliliter bottles are $215 US and the 100 milliliter bottles are $310. And that's from the Parfums de Marly website. This is also one of their best sellers. However, I recommend for you to look online at reputable sellers. It will save you some money, which then in turn you can use to buy more fragrances. Myself, I have a 75 ml bottle, which this one was given to me by my wife. I know, she's got good taste. The Parfums de Marly bottles are all really good quality. They're super heavy and the cap weighs just as much as the bottle. I think in this case, the cap might actually weigh more than the bottle since this is a 75 milliliter. What I like is that the cap snaps in place and you can really just hold it like that, pull it from the back of the shelf without any problems. But without further ado, why don't we give it a spray or maybe two? So here we go. Here's one. And here's one for you. Man, right off the top, you will get bergamot and heliotrope. Heliotrope is also known as the cherry pie flower. Heliotrope kind of smells like marzipan, vanilla, and almond. Also at the top of this fragrance, there's cumin or caraway, but don't worry, it is very faint and barely detectable to my nose. In the middle, you will find jasmine, bitter almond, and lavender. At the base of this fragrance, you will find amber, vanilla, and sandalwood. The sandalwood in this fragrance is so well blended with the amber and the vanilla, creating a fragrance that is super versatile for spring, fall, and winter. However, I wear my fragrances whenever I want to wear them, because they're mine. Pegasus will accompany you for about 10 hours plus. I applied Pegasus yesterday at 7:30 a.m. and came home from work at 8:30 p.m. And my wife, as I walked in and gave her a hug and a kiss, she said, "Wow, you smell good." That's 13 hours later. And no, I did not reapply. Just my usual 5 sprays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's me. The sillage is also really good for Pegasus, lasting about 3 hours or so before it moves in closer, right around arm's length. Pegasus is a pleasant scent, never getting cloying, and Pegasus lies somewhere for me between an office scent and a cozy night out. Parfums de Marly continues to deliver outstanding fragrances that pay homage to the aromatic courts of King Louis XV. This wraps up my review of Parfums de Marly Pegasus. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give me a like, and there's also a notification bell if you want to be notified of my newest videos. Until the next time, this is Peter from Centrail. Thanks for watching. Take good care of yourself, smell nice, and I'll see you soon. Until then, Centrail, out.